Ladies and gentlemen, yo man, welcome back to the channel. Your boy T Ray here, man. I must say, yo, we got some dunks here again for you guys. And I must say, the last video y'all know y'all looked at, man, was the snake skins, which was a nice premium look. But I must say, we do got another pair of dunks right now. And these Nike Dunk Low Team Reds, they man stole the show a little bit. All right, so let's jump right into it. Alright, so man, listen man, we got a pair of the Nike Dunk Low Team Reds, and man, I thought the snake skins was that sneaker, but I might have lied to you guys. But jump right into it, man. Look, plain Nike red box. Drop the box. We don't even want to talk about that box right now. What we want to talk about right now is the Nike Dunk Low Team Reds in hand. Now, you know what? This sneaker looks absolutely familiar. You know why? Because, you know, it reminds me of the actual medallion ones that had the nice gold medallion in it. The one that I was struggling trying to figure out how to take the medallion off. And then everybody in the comments looked out for your boy. Hey, man, shout out to y'all in the comments, man. Appreciate it, man. Much love to y'all, man. Hey, yo, before we get going, hey, man, also remember, man, like, subscribe to the channel. All right, but, yeah, we get that out of the way. Let's jump back to what we're here for. The nice Team Red Nike Dunk Lows. And I'm hyped about it because, you know what? Something about this colorway here. This nice maroon, they call it Team Red, but I call it maroon. But it actually, I mean, the glossy on it, I like this look here. And there's something about the maroon look, man. It just, I don't know, it does something to me, man. I think the maroon, it makes a sneaker pop. That's just my opinion. I don't know why, but I guess the fact of the nice little shiny shades to it, man, the glossiness to it, that's it. You know what I mean? That's what it is. A nice little Team Red and white. We do got the nice sail sole base of the actual bottom of this actual sneaker of the sole plate. So all maroon bottom, and I mean they call it Team Red right along with the nice Team Red Nike with the swoosh in it. Oh, come on, man. There we go. Right along to the back, we do got that all white stitching in it, and it does have that maroon, that slick, that shiny, that glossy look on it right here. Now going to the side panels, we do have this nice white that this is in the side panel of it, right along with the nice maroon Team Red, what you want to call it, that nice little plate on that Nike swoosh. Right along the toe box, we do have that nice all white with the nice little perfect holes in it. I might have said that wrong. I am from the South. Y'all don't hate on me. Don't talk trash about me. Okay, I'm gonna tell you that now. I ain't scared of y'all. I'm just playing. But yo, and again on the back, we do have that white as well. Now, like I said, I know this sneaker doesn't have a lot going on with it as far as detailing. It's pretty plain, but again, I think the maroon to it just sets it off for me. Now, they don't have a extra pair of laces. But the lace with it right now is a nice cream lace, and I believe that actually this does. It's actually the same color, whatever you want to call it, sail. It's the same color as the actual sole plate, the sole bottom of the rubber of the sneaker, the rubber part of it. But yeah, man, you can't beat it. I mean, like I said, it's gonna be a short video, but I must say, these got to be it. Again, I did rate the snake skins on my last video at 8, 9 or something like that there. These gonna be right along with it. I'm gonna have to give it like an 8.5, 9.5-ish. I'm gonna have to get at least because I love the glossy look to this actual sneaker here. I feel like it does bring more attention to your foot. You get where I'm going with that, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, you can't beat it. Like I said, guys, just to let you all know, because someone asked me in the comments, you know, do I wear all my sneakers and things like that? This is why I buy them. I don't buy them. I collect. You know, we collect them, but we wear our sneakers. And that goes for me and my wife. We wear our sneakers, all of them. They just don't sit. We put them on, man. So just to get that out of the way, man, we do put them on. We don't get sneakers just to sit there. Yeah, that just nah. We don't do that. But yeah, as far as that, man, here on the socket of this actual sneaker, we do have the actual nice here on the sock or the sneaker, sock line of the sneaker. We do have that nice maroon look. We do have that actual white inside Nike with the white swoosh on it as well. Again, guys, that's basically it with the sneaker, the Nike Team Reds. Yeah, very elegant, very shiny, and I must say I have to put these over the snake skins. I said it, I said it. Yeah, I put them over the snake skins. I do like the maroon look to them, the team red look to them, and yeah, man, that's what I'm going with. But as far as that, man, thank you so much for the love and support on the channel. Again, yo, we are trying to rev up and just drop as much content as possible for you guys. Some good content anyway on some nice sneakers. And like I said, we're just gonna kick back, relax together, and we're gonna talk about these beautiful sneakers that we end up copping. Like I said, I copped the wife another pair of sneakers as well. We did get her those Jordan 1 wash pink. So be on the lookout. I got to talk about them. I got to put my 2 cents into it. But yeah, as far as that, man. Hey, again, man, I'll see y'all in the next sneaker video. Again, cop these, add them to your collection, wear them, and I am out of here. Peace.